Defamation win. Murphy Vikai, January 15th, 2025. This time it was Spring helping a client, acting as his McKenzie friend. With all the hallmarks of Spring v. Craig Mason, the case involved a well-known car dealer, John Murphy. Whilst nowhere near as vulgar or vile as the Mason case where Spring was awarded $170,000 in damages, not that Spring received any money as Mason is now a bankrupt, it was a similar claim, where once again a very deliberate and knowingly false allegation was placed on Murphy's business Facebook page in an attempt to destroy a person's name and their business reputation. The defendant, Jasmine Kay, as she is known, who is a registered chartered accountant in New Zealand, for some reason decided to allege Mr. Murphy had stolen her car when he had in fact purchased it outright from Ms. Kay's husband. It was not just the allegation made on Facebook, but Ms. Kay saw it fit to make a false complaint to the New Zealand police alleging the car was stolen, all the while knowing it was never stolen. Ms. Kay and her husband also engaged in abusive and threatening behavior that was caught on CCTV at Murphy's dealership, Central Car Company in Green Lane. In this case, Murphy sought the knowledge that Spring had with regards to defamation, and in doing so, the court allowed Spring to act as his McKenzie friend. And, in what is likely very rare, Spring also ran the case making submissions and examining the witnesses on behalf of Mr. Murphy. Spring says, Mr. Murphy found the whole process very stressful, and both he and I were very grateful for her honor, Judge Anderson's approval that I be able to assist the court like I did. Whilst there was only one offending comment placed on Facebook and a Google review, the case was a matter of principle to Murphy. He was, however, rewarded with a high court judgment in his favor, confirming that he had indeed been defamed, and he was awarded $20,000 plus costs and damages. These are yet to be paid, and if they are not, a bankruptcy proceeding will be filed against Ms. Kay. This is not the end of the issues Ms. Kay faces, as we believe she has breached the rules and guidelines that govern a chartered accountant in NZ. She is a member of CAANZ, but she also needs to be charged for making a false complaint to the NZ police. It is likely a private prosecution will follow if the New Zealand police do not act as it is a crime under the Crimes Act, 1961, to make a knowingly false statement. Spring is going to run that case on behalf of Mr. Murphy. We will also update on the complaint made to CAANZ about the conduct of Ms. Kay.